For most countries in the world, their leading export and import trading partner is either the European Union or the United States. China, Japan, Russia, Brazil, and South Africa are emerging as markets or source countries. The European Union and the United States are each other's largest export market. China is the European Union and the United States' largest source of imports. Korea is China's largest source of imports. Brazil, Russia, and South Africa are becoming increasingly dominant in importing and exporting in their respective areas. There's no one else around. I just wanna tease your eyes. Maybe we could check these locks. I just wanna go inside. Why is it so dead on a Friday night? Some isolated countries depend on a larger neighboring country to be their largest trading partner. Venezuela is Cuba's key export market. Uzbekistan is the leading origin of imports into Tajikistan and Afghanistan. So many